Layout Nuggets, and Precision Insights for Smarter Designs. MDP, Mask Data Preparation. Students, let me ask you something. How much real visibility do layout engineers actually have into the MDP process? Think about it. You hand over your design, but what happens next? Do you know? Or are you just assuming it all goes smoothly? That GDSII file, it's far from ready. Before it becomes a mask, it undergoes a complex sequence of transformations and checks, biasing, fracturing, optical proximity correction. Each one can alter your layout in subtle yet significant ways. Now let's go deeper. At 5 nanometers and below, the margin for error? Almost zero. Here, MDP isn't just a tool, it's the gatekeeper of manufacturability. If the MDP flow falters, your layout may never make it to silicon. Here's a thought. Could tighter integration between layout and MDP actually speed up tape-out cycles? Absolutely. Less back and forth, fewer late-stage surprises, more confidence earlier in the flow. And now, the question that matters most. As a layout engineer, are you designing with MDP constraints in mind? Or are you just hoping for the best? Hope is not a strategy. Awareness is. So here's your layout nugget from Semionics. The closer you are to MDP, the farther you'll go in layout. Know the flow. Design with intent. Deliver with confidence. Go through the flow in the video to get an idea. Happy learning, and see you in the next one.